Accident happens and a large number of pets become pregnant despite their owner wishes. In most of cases, the pet solution to this problem is to have the bitch spayed, which will not only solve the current problem but prevent it from happening in future. Various treatment protocols are available either to prevent implantation or to terminate pregnancy in mid-gestation. However, one must bear in mind the objectives when planning such treatment should be aimed at inducing abortion only if the bitch is pregnant. To use a drug that is safe for the animal's health and fertility, reliable, easy to administer, and can be controlled by veterinarian, and lastly, the treatment should be cost effective and non-invasive. So in present case, so bitch having the 30-day of history of mismating with local dog and presented to our clinic. So on the first most important thing is that we have to confirm by using ultrasound. So ultrasound is the most reliable technique for pregnancy confirmation. So by using ultrasound we have to confirm if the animal is pregnant. We have to take measurements such as gestational sac diameter, CRL, and the BPD, and all these things. On the basis of that we should have to correlate with the mating history, and when we are confirming that bitch is 100% pregnant, then we go for this pregnancy termination treatment. Otherwise, if animal is not pregnant, there is unnecessary we are using various types of drugs. Best period for termination of pregnancy in canines is in between 22 to 40 days. So in that period we can give either cabergoline, either giving mifepristone, that is anti-progesterone drug, or some PGF-12 we can use along with Dexa. So there are some complications whenever we are going for any mismating treatment. Either you go for cabergoline, either you go for mifepristone or PGF-12. So proper care should be taken and it should be carried out under the supervision of veterinarian only. Okay, so for that reason, so whenever we are going for any treatment, so we should take proper follow-up and proper treatment protocols. So whenever in this case we treated this mismating sea dog by using PGF-12 and Dexa. In the present case we had used the PGF-12 and Dexa. PGF-12 at the rate of 5 microgram per kg body weight at 48 hours interval, and Dexa 0.04 mg per kg body weight at 12 hours interval. So Dexa we have to give either in morning and evening, and PGF-12 at 48 hours intervals. But before giving PGF-12 we have to take proper care. We should give atropine sulfate injection before 10 to 15 minutes before the PGF-12 injection, and PGF-12 should give by only subcut route only. Okay, so at least 2 or 3 injections of PGF-12 is required for termination of pregnancy. So in this present case we had used almost 3 PGF-12 injections at 48 hours interval and take the in morning and evening for 4 days. In present case we scan the said dog for every alternate day so that we can check the progress of treatment, whether whatever drug we are using, whether they are supporting or not, and whatever these things we have to monitor properly so that we can get the exact idea about that, so whether our treatment is successful or not. Okay, in this case we got 100% success by expelling all these 4 to 5 gestational sacs along with fetus. They are expelled on day 7 without any complication. So by using this PGF-12 and dexamethasone treatment we can successfully treat this mismating dogs, and ultrasound will be playing the major vital role during all these treatment protocol, because whatever drugs we are using, whether they are having the proper role or we are getting success or not, we can check properly by using ultrasound.